In this tutorial, I'll show you how to get the ESPN Scoreboard on NBA 2K24 so you can stay updated with real-time scores while gaming. Let's get started. To enable the ESPN Scoreboard in NBA 2K24, start by launching the game and navigating to the Settings menu. Look for the Live Services or Features section, where you can toggle the ESPN integration on. Ensure your console or device is connected to the internet, as the scoreboard requires an active connection to display live updates. Once enabled, the ESPN Scoreboard will appear during gameplay, showing real-time NBA scores, schedules, and highlights. This feature enhances your gaming experience by keeping you informed about ongoing games and player stats. If the ESPN Scoreboard doesn't appear, check for a game update in your console's store or platform, as updates may be required for full functionality. Ensure your internet connection is stable for uninterrupted access to the scoreboard. If this video helped you, please hit the like button and subscribe to this channel for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the ESPN Scoreboard in NBA 2K24.